Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for today on our GBP USD. Now, first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also you can join the mentorship program that is still ongoing. That coming up in March, right? Which you are going to be doing back-to-back updates. We're also going to be going live and in-depth analysis will be covered, right? The link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. The mentorship will be offered in the Patreon channel. So in order for you to be part of it, you need to subscribe to the Patreon channel mentorship. So now the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBP USD will be giving us for the day. So this is what's our trend, right? You can clearly see it, right? GBP USD is literally trending to the downside. This is a bearish move, right? Now that is what GBP USD has been giving us. It has been trending downward. But now what market has done, market has just given us a double. And we all know what double bottom means. It means a reversal movement. So market has now given us a reversal pattern, thereby pushed up, right? Now, this is a little bit of a pullback. We will be expecting GBP USD to push up again. So a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our GBP USD. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, guys, going for the buy. Going for the buy. Hold your buy position. Enter the buy and hold your buy position. More updates on this will be covered in the Patreon channel. So make sure you join the mentorship program in the Patreon channel. You will find the link to the Patreon in the comment section.